Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Edit content brought to you by Carl's Garage. So actually this video is just going to be a Carl's Garage video, but also because this channel is no longer monetized, so usually you would see like money right here. It's no longer monetized because I got banned till March. Head on over to Straight Edit content. You're going to get a lot of other videos over there. But in today's video, I'm just going to read just a couple comments. It has been a very long time since I read some comments from you guys, and I just got over COVID. So if I sound messed up, it's because I'm still recovering. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey boss. So the first comment is from Mr. Omar. Hey boss, they're asking for maintenance records, but I only have maybe half of the receipts from past oil changes. Is that a problem? Would they deny the replacement for that? Thank you. Well, Mr. Omar, the answer is maybe. So to me, anytime that they do that, that dealership is what I would call sketchy, because they automatically know that the issue is worldwide and that these cars have these issues. So any dealership that's going to ask you for that is like, I'm not going to cuss on here, but they're a-holes. So they're not supposed to do that. They know that you have a open recall. They're just giving you a hard time. So personally, I wouldn't even deal with that dealership anymore. I would just move on. Second, the answer is no. As I show in this video, and let's go in here to my other videos. Let's see this right here in my book. So this video here with my book, you know what, let me not click that. But as you see, Kia update, all these videos right here, they will show you. But again, if you want the book, it's all these videos in one place, and it also comes with a few documents so that you can read and go in there and hand them the documents and say, hey, look, it says right here that as long as my issue is related to the recall, then you guys have to fix it. So this whole maintenance thing, that's something that they used to do a lot last year, deny a lot of people for maintenance records, just because the dealership doesn't really want to do it and it costs them money out of pocket. They have to be reimbursed by Kia, and that can take a very long time since this issue is happening all over the United States. So hopefully that answers your question, Mr. Omar. Again, that's the reason why I made the book. The reason why I made the book is because you can go in there, you can print out a ton of documents, do all your own research. It's all in one place. And then you walk into your dealership and you slap them in the face with the documents, say, and then tell them, fix my damn car. Because anybody who talks about maintenance and stuff like that, they know that a lot of us change our own oils, and a lot of us, you know, just go and get the oil change. We're not thinking that we have to keep maintenance records in order to get our engine replaced whenever you put a piece of crap engine in the car, right? So it doesn't make any sense. So hopefully that answers your question. But again, I'll repeat this one more time. The reason why I wrote the book, the Kia Hyundai Handbook, a guide to help you getting your engine replaced, is because it will do exactly that. And the link is in the description. So if you come in here, sorry, if you click the video or any video, let me go to my content. And we're going to click, let's click this video here. We're going to click here. We're going to turn this down.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage. And in today's video, I'm giving you guys some brand new
once you get the handbook here,
you have until December 7th, right here.
To my
I
business
can't make
page.
this up. This is real. Claims are currently being accepted for this case. The deadline to submit a claim for most benefits is December 7th, 2023. Please note that filing
that you could just print out. So let's go on to the next person here. They said they can't help us unless the check engine light is on. We still can't get the car to accelerate over 25 to 35 miles per hour. It's ridiculous. Well, Michael Fernandez, 2 days ago, that is true. They can't do anything. They cannot replace your engine until it fails. Well, I know it's the craziest thing in the world. It's like they know that these rod bearings in these cars are horrible, but they want you to literally drive it until it blows up. It's the scariest, craziest thing I've ever heard, but it is true. That is true. Your engine has to fail, which means you literally have to be on the highway, on some back road or wherever you're driving, and then the engine has to blow, and then you have to get it to the dealer. Now, you said that your car won't accelerate over 25, 35 miles an hour, which lets me know that it's in limp mode, but that's weird that the check engine light isn't on, as you know, while it's in limp mode. But also you might be having a different issue. If that high pressure fuel pump goes bad, then you will get that same exact 25 35 mile per hour thing, or even a bad valve cover gasket or something like that. So just see if you can just take it there and see if they will tell you whether or not it is the rod bearing issue or it is a fuel related. Okay, I'm going to go down here and read this last one. Got a 2019 Hyundai Sonata at 60,000 miles to start burning a quart or more every 500,000 miles. I mean, every 500 miles or so. That's a fact. These cars burn oil. They have huge oil consumptions. And this person, Mr. Steve and Tracy, they commented on the Kia oil consumption class action lawsuit video because that class action lawsuit was dismissed. So if you are burning oil, you are just stuck. That's why I made the video. Crazy Hyundai refuses to do anything. Yep. Well, the courts told them that they don't have to do anything. Even the dealership told me there is a 99.9% chance that chance Hyundai will do nothing. He is 100% right. It's more than 99.9% chance. It's 100% because they legally don't have to. That case was dismissed and said it's a waste of time to go through the trouble and costs associated with repairs. Yes, 100%, Mr. Steve and Tracy Giles. Yes, you are right. And not only that, not only will your 2019 Hyundai Sonata keep burning oil at only 60,000 miles, your engine is on its way to fail. Those rod bearings are going to fail, and you hopefully you have the KSDS, because if you don't, you won't get your engine replaced. They will actively try to deny you. They're actively going to try to deny you for maintenance, as you can see from Mr. Omar, and they're actively going to try to deny you if you don't have that KSDS, which is the knock sensor detection software update. And again, that is, something that's really, required. And I talk about that in a lot of my videos over here and also on my main channel, straight out of content. So again, let me see if I can show you guys the book real quick. See if I got it in here. Here's the book. So here's a lot of we'll go right here. This is the book right here, guys. And again, it comes with all of these documents that you need right here. Kia and Hyundai Engine Handbook, a special guide to get your engine replaced. It's also on Amazon as well if you want to get it there. Either way, I truly appreciate it, but it's going to come with all of this information pertaining to everything from your car related to the Theta 2 engine. Again, I'm still writing part 2, which is part of the PNSS recall for all of the new motors up until 2024. And yeah, as you can see right here, we got some real life testimonies that I put into this book. Remember, I wrote this book myself, but all of these documents like this one right here, I like to show this to a lot of people. It says, what will Hyundai do? Your Hyundai dealer will perform a software update of the electrical control module ECM to improve the knock sensor detection system. This procedure will be performed at no charge to you, and it lists all the cars that are affected. All of these documents are printable. All of these documents that you see right here, the Theta 2 fourth notice, everything, and then even all of these links. So every link that you see right here, all the links that you see right here are clickable because this is a PDF. Second, all of these links with the playlists are always updated. So any video that I make, including this one that I'm making right now, will be automatically added into the Carl's Garage playlist. So whenever I click Carl's Garage playlist, you will see the latest videos that I've created. So I just basically add all the videos here to the Carl's Garage playlist. And oh crap, let me go back.
Wow.
And then even when I click I think it's the Kia Engine Settlement YouTube playlist, that should take you to straight out of content, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. And see right there, 12 days ago, I created that video, Kia Engine Settlement, and you can watch it right here. And that's a really good video because they moved the date from December 7th all the way to like April so that you can still get reimbursed for your car if you've spent any money on your car. So again, these are all things that are very, very, very important. As you can see, 2 months ago, I did a video on my handbook. So I'm including everything that you can think of in this book to get your engine replaced. And then you will never not be in the loop as far as content and as far as videos and stuff like that. So if I even back out of here, we got all of these documents that are in this link as well that you will be sent. So here's right here. This is a list of cars. This is another important document. This right here is another. Oh, this right here is loading the documents because this right here is a litigation approval. It's pretty big document. There we go. So as you can see, it's a pretty big document, but it is the actual litigation court paperwork for their class action lawsuit. And this includes a lot of stuff. Look at all these vehicles that it includes. Look at all these vehicles that it includes. So your car is probably in one of these. And again, I mean, I have the most comprehensive book, period, ever made to help people get their engines replaced. And again, this is look at this pamphlet that they actually sent out, and I came in here and I downloaded. I received this actually. I did receive this. So again, and this right here is for your engine maintenance log because they sent this to you to like tell you to keep up on your maintenance so you could bring it to the dealer. So this right here, this also explains the KSDS and stuff like that. It's the owner's pamphlet, another engine settlement document right here. Again, these documents are pretty big. Exhibit 1, settlement agreement. So again, the most comprehensive book. Yes, it is $10, but it's worth it. As you can see, you have all the information that you need. Just find your car, gather all your information, go to your dealership and tell them to replace your engine. The only way they can't replace it is if it's not rod bearing related, period. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Appreciate everything. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Please hit the link in the description and grab this book. If you have this problem or you know a friend that does, I know we just passed Christmas. It would have made a great Christmas gift, but we still have, the book is still there. So please pass it on to somebody that you might think that will want it. All right, guys, or somebody that will need it. Please, please, please share this information. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and head on over to Straight Outta Content as well to check out other videos that I have on that channel. Be basic, guys, and be safe.